Welcome to day 5, the actual wall-to-wall Remembering Mates ride. And we're in Canberra, we're at Epic, which is the showground, and of course events like this could not be held without the sponsors such as Yamaha, Towards Zero, Police Bank, Transurban, Law Advice, Don Cameron, the police forces across Australia, Simplicity Funerals, we hope we don't need them, Total Tools, quite a lot, LAC Group, they did the traffic control, things like that. So let's have a look to see what's here. We're in the main pavilion. For those people that have registered and got to pick their gear up, and if they want to buy some gear from previous years, like caps for $2 each, that's the official wall-to-wall stand. There's a sign-in one there. Shannon's up the end, the Australian Federal Police, there's Law Advice, lots of different organisations. I meant, unfortunately Yamaha isn't here, that's unusual, as a major sponsor. Lots of giveaways, and we might go up here to the Australian Federal Police Museum, because being a motorbike event, they're concentrating in this particular display on police bikes, and they have a Triumph Saint and an ex-ACT Kawasaki KZ1000, complete with the blue lights and things like that on it, and some history there. So we'll have a look at these two bikes here. There's a competition there, you can win Lego. So they've got the Triumph Saint here, and then of course the KZ, as we call them in Australia, the Z1000 Mark II here, ex-police bike, with the sirens, things like that on it, panniers, blue light there, and pretty basic here, power relay, horns, rear beacon, those sort of things. Lots of police museums around the countryside. Great to go and visit them. They educate, honour and excite future generations. So that's the police museum, and some displays here of the Honda 4, the Triumph Saint, training at low speed, those sort of things. And then back to very early days, the police booking a motorist there in 1930. So this is a historic photo there. I know the police force used Indians amongst other types of bikes. Lots of VIP and ceremonial duties too. They did everything from royal escorts, all those type of things. So they've got a display showing what's happening here. The story at the Kawasaki, the story at the Honda, and the whole event is called Remembering Mates, and we'll all end up at the wall-to-wall memorial, or the wall memorial, later on today. And let's just have a look at a couple of the earlier bikes. The BMW, which is, they do have one in the museum, the Honda, and then of course up to the modern Yamaha's FJ1300s and the likes that they use. So we'll have a little bit more, but welcome to day 5 at the Police and Emergency Services wall-to-wall, and hit the like button and tell us about some of your mates that you might have lost and what is done to remember them. So Police Wall-to-Wall Ride 2023, hit the like button and subscribe.